So if it feels like everyone has been to Cancun except for you, now is a really good time to change that. Pamela Caltabiano from vacationexpress.com stopped by to tell us why Cancun is the perfect tropical getaway. So I've been here a couple times and I can definitely attest to that. And I know you have traveled to the area as well. So what does it offer?
Everything. Cancun offers everything. You know, one of the best things about flying into Cancun is it gives you access to practically a whole world of different vacation opportunities because right there on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico's Caribbean, you have Cancun's classic hotel zone with the high rises and those wide expansive beaches. And then of course, just north of Cancun, we've got Costa Mujeres, which is one of the most popular areas that's being newly built up with lots of great new popular resorts. Of course, Riviera Maya all the way down in the south, all the way to Tulum, Playa del Carmen. These are famous areas, easy to get to Cozumel. It's so great.
There is so much culture there, and when you're talking about those beaches, the sand is so soft and the water's so clear.
Soft, for sure. And you know, the sand is never hot. It never burns your feet, and that is a delight. If you've ever been on a hot sandy beach and then you start running across and ow, 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 you know, none of that.
You're like, I need flip-flops ASAP.
Yep, but not in Cancun.
Not in Cancun. So it's actually going to be easier to get there now more than ever, just for people from Kansas City.
That's right. So Vacation Express is really excited because we have been flying nonstop flights out of Kansas City. This is now our third year, but our first year that we're bringing a nonstop flight from Kansas City to Cancun. So,
wow. So yeah, we're all very excited about this because now it's like eliminating a lot of the hassle of travel.
For certain. And you know, Cancun, we know it's a popular destination for people here in Kansas City, and we just want to make that even more accessible because now travelers can fly VE style. So that means that, you know, whenever you go to Cancun on one of our Vacation Express flights, you can spend 6 nights in this wonderful, any of the wonderful areas that are surrounding Cancun. And so when you're there, we have hundreds of resorts, all inclusive, that you can choose from. And all inclusive, of course, means all meals, all drinks, all this entertainment.
Okay, sign me up now.
Everything,
right?
yeah.
This is everything that someone could want. And is vacationexpress.com really making a lot of this package deal easier?
Of course, for certain. And you know, we have sister companies that are great resorts that people know and love, like Royalton Luxury Resorts.
Wow.
Great for families, high end, but still accessible. And with Vacation Express, we're able to give those deals that you can't find anywhere else.
Okay, and then anything else that we really can experience in Cancun? Like, I remember that there was a really cool market, and I'm noticing a really lovely necklace that you're wearing.
Thank you. So yes, I did buy this on a street market in Cancun, and there's so much shopping to be done there. And Vacation Express, you know, we're everything, one-stop shop. So you can take care of your flights, your resort. You can book excursions with us as well. So you can even do a shopping excursion.
Wow,
and,
okay.
Yeah, and take advantage of that. Going down to the 5th Avenue of Playa del Carmen, that's always a great shopping experience. Beautiful cobblestone streets, and there's vendors and shops and stores for all taste, just lining the road. But really, all over Cancun, you can find great shopping.
Well, book your nonstop flight from Kansas City to Cancun today. Just call 1-800-309-4717 or speak with your local travel agent. You can also get more information online at vacationexpress.com.